Welcome back, guys. Please for tuning in for another episode. Sorry for my face and the heat my body. I just finished my workout session. So guys, let's how we do it. Let's go over to the trades I took this week. So the trade you're seeing on your screen right now is the trade I took on Tuesday. So guys, let's go on my chart so that I'll break down this trade and the reason why I took this trade using my model CRT model. So without wasting much of your time, guys, if you're new to my channel, please, what I do in my channel is I document my journey in becoming a profitable trader and a disciplined trader, and also the journey of passing a $20,000 account that I got from a Propfirm known as Code Funded. So please, if you're new, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification to get notified when I post new video like this on my channel, and to like this video in order to help for the YouTube algorithm. So without wasting much of your time, guys, I'll catch you guys on this. I'll first of all go on my weekly outlook to show you guys what I was actually looking for this week before I break down the trade I show you on my screen. So this is my journal. So let me go on my weekly outlook for this week. Coming. Let it load. So yeah, this is my weekly outlook is from January 2026 to January 30th. So if I'm to open it, so let me tell you what I was actually looking for this week. So let me make it full. So you can see my direction for this week was actually bullish, but that does not mean that if I see a bearish opportunity, I will take that is in line with my CRT. I will definitely take because the market is bullish. I will just be waiting for the bullish opportunity because it's weekly time frame. So so we have a lot more, you understand. So this is my weekly time frame, guys. Like I said, last week candle closed very bullish. I expect a little retracement into a key level on a lower time frame, so as price to take out the draw on liquidity as shown in the image. Let me zoom it. So this is what I mean, you understand. The last week candle, like I showed you guys in my previous video, look at how very bullish it is. So I expect that price will just push higher to take out this draw on liquidity, which is the high. So guys, that was what I was looking out for this week. And you can see Monday, the daily time frame, I said Monday candle closed close bullish, therefore I expect a bullish intent, so I have to take out the draw on liquidity, which is the DOL. So this is the Monday candle, because obviously I don't trade on Monday. I trade from Tuesday to Friday. So I use my Monday as my final outlook. So guys, let's go to the chart so that I can show you the trade I took break down the trade I took for this for on Tuesday. So this is my weekly time frame. You can see, so you can see what happened. I don't want to show you guys what really happened, but you don't see I'm already. So let me go to my daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame. So this is my Tuesday candle. So let's go to the trade that I took this Tuesday. I went to the 4-hour time frame. So permit me, on this trading view, we have different brokers on this trading view. So but I'm using the Owanda broker platform on trading view. So there is something I saw on one broker platform that made me took this opportunity. So let me go. I think it is the Forex.com. Yes, this broker. So guys, watch, is the same thing on my Owanda, is the same thing, but in this case, this guys gave me a clearer view for the reason why I took this trade. So now I use this 17 o'clock candle as my CRT range. So if I'm to mark it out, so this is my high. This is my CRT high, and this is my this is the CRT low. So now, upon seeing that, I noticed I noticed that the 9 o'clock candle thought to suit the high of the 17 o'clock. So upon seeing that, which is my trade checklist rather. So upon seeing that 9 o'clock has already thought to suit the high of the CRT range, I had to wait for extra confirmation before I can take any selling opportunity, even though the market is actually bullish. So this between 1 o'clock also, this candle gave me a bearish intent that okay, maybe the market is about to head lower before it will continue its upward movement. Mind you, I was being conscious about this other block here, this candle here. I was paying attention how price will react from there. So around 1 a.m. 1 o'clock New York time, I had to go to my lower time frame to look for my opportunity, which is the 1 hour time frame. Just I had to go there to look for my entry criteria, which I saw here. I saw a change of state of delivery. This candle this huge order block was engulfed by this two other blocks. So this is now my state of change of delivery. So for price to do to head lower before it to continue upward. And if I use my Fibonacci retracement from the from the low CRT low to the to the CRT high, you will see that where price is currently at the premium level. So I went further to the 15-minute time frame in order for me to get a clearer order block with a high risk reward ratio. You understand? So now watch what happened here, guys. This 15-minute time frame, this 15 minutes order block, this candle order engulfed this one. So that was where I was interested in selling this market. So I picked my entry here, which you can see on the screen, with that was where I set my limit with a stop loss of 7.5. yes, 7.5 pip, and I went for one ratio 3.1, which is what you can see on my screen. So guys, because I was being careful around this I modified this order block around this other block, this favor lookup. So I was just watching price. Okay, price might react from there, and you can see that I got my straight 1 ratio 3 risk reward before price did reversed back. So that is my CRT model. So guys, that is the trade. That's the reason why I took this trade that turned out to be plus 3% on my account. Wednesday gave me this opportunity, or you can see on your screen right now. So guys, let's go on the chart so that I can break this trade, the reason why I took this trade using my CRT. So guys, for the trade I took on Wednesday, you understand, now you can see that, guys, that price has taken out the drawn liquidity. So but I was still interested in bullish opportunity, even though the market is has taken out this draw on liquidity. I expect that price might retrace back, but let me tell you the reason why I took this trade that I showed you on the screen for Wednesday. So this is my daily time frame. So I go on my 4-hour time frame. Do you understand? So I saw my CRT model on this 4-hour time frame. Now this was the range. This candle, I use this candle as my range. Do you understand? The CRT high. That was the CRT high. And this is the CRT low. So guys, you can agree with me that you can see that this 1 o'clock AM candle thought to suit the low of this candle. So upon seeing that was where I was interested in buying this market at on Wednesday. So you can see, upon seeing that, I waited for the 1 o'clock candle to finish, and you can see it closed back inside of the range, and that showed my a bullish intent. Then I entered straight on the 5 o'clock candle, putting my limit around here, if I'm not mistaken. Here, that was where I entered. Yes, no, I think I went on a 1-hour time frame to get a clearer risk to reward. I think it was on a 15-minute time frame. I'm coming, guys. Yeah, it was on this candle here. Upon seeing this 15 minutes change of state of delivery, that was where I entered, and I used a 15 pip stop loss. Yes, yeah, this was what I used. So I entered around here. So you can see that price went up a bit and did finally came back to stop me out on this trade. So that was minus 1% for me for that day on Wednesday. The trade you can see on your screen is actually a high probable setup. It's my A+ setup. So guys, let's see how this trade turned out. Let's see how this trade played out, and let's see the reason why I took this trade on Thursday. Welcome back on the chat again. So this is the Thursday trade, the reason why I took that Thursday trade. So guys, let's see something. Let me delete this line for you guys first. So you can see that the market made a serious push to the upward side. So I had to mark out the range. This is my range high, then this is my range low. Do you get? So I had to mark it out. So now I use my Fibonacci retracement to know my premium and discount level. So now in this case guys, this was all Wednesday price action, and then all of a sudden price did came into this key level, this favor lookup, guys. So this was the key level for me, this favor lookup. So upon seeing that price came into this fair value gap and reacted from it bullishly, I was interested because I said, okay, maybe the market is about to do what? To add to take out this range high. So I waited for my CRT model, which was on Thursday, which gave me a clean A plus setup. Now I marked out the range, this range, which is the 1 a.m. New York candle, which is a CRT high, and I marked out the CRT the low. Understand, the range low. So after seeing that, guys, then I waited for this 5 o'clock candle to form and close, and you can see that it closed back inside of the range, which is showing me a bullish intent. Immediately on the 9 a.m. candle, I set my bullish limit. You understand? I set my bullish limit around here. Then stop loss was rightly below this candle, which was around 14 pip. And you can see, guys, I think let me go on 1 hour time frame to get so you can see it clear. Yep. So this was where I entered from. I think a slide below here. Yeah. Sorry about that. So this was where I entered from. You can see that price actually reacted, moved a bit, which you can see, which you saw on the screen before. Moved a bit, and all of a sudden this candle pushed it down, and it stopped me out on minus 1% again. So that was a loss for me on Thursday, even when the market actually showed me that this is bullish, and this is my high probable setup. But high probable setup can also turn to be a loss. So that was a loss for me on Thursday. Friday got me this trade you can see on your screen right now, and it's to trade. So guys, let's go on the chart so that I can break down the trade and the reason why I took this trade using my CRT model, and also tell you the outcome of the trade for this Friday. So this is the daily time frame, guys. So this is Monday candle, Tuesday candle, Wednesday candle, Thursday candle. You can see these candles are showing me bullish, because they are closing with a long wick. So Friday, I expected Friday that possibility that Friday might continue the trend, but most of the time Fridays always do the reversal of the trend. So I was being conscious. I had that in my mind, because that's how I've backtested my rule that Fridays most of the time does reversal of the trend Monday to Tuesday did. So now I was just looking at the price action. I went to 4 hour time frame. Do you understand? I went to 4 hour time frame. So now look at Friday price action here. All these things here are Friday price action. So I want you to watch closely. Yeah, in as much as price is inside of this key level, do you understand, that we're supposed to do to buy from, do you understand, a discount key level, I was still observing price action around this key level. So guys, let me tell you this one. I noticed that based on my CRT model, this candle here was thought to suit by this 1 o'clock candle. So upon seeing that this candle actually thought to suit that candle high, do you understand, which is my CRT range. So this is the low, and this is the low, and this is the this is the CRT high. So upon seeing that this candle, which is my 1 a.m. candle New York time, thought to suit the high of this candle, that shows a bearish intent. So what came to my mind is maybe the Friday is about to price action is ready to do what it's supposed to do. And mind you, this is a fair value gap, a key level. So this is a key level. So all my checklist was already in line. So now upon seeing that, after the close of this candle, I waited for the next candle, which is the 5 a.m. candle New York time. I waited for the candle to form, so as for me to get into the selling opportunity. Then I went straight to my 1 hour time frame. Yes. So then I saw a clean change of state of delivery, which is this candle here. This candle engulfed this one, which is a strong order block. So upon seeing that, I went further to 15-minute time frame to get a clearer order block, so as to do to capitalize with the good risk to reward ratio. And guys, this week here has an order block here. So this week, this is why I first set my first limit, which you saw on the screen, so as to go for 1:3. Do you understand? Now look at what price did. The price tapped me in, went straight a bit, and then finally reversed back to stop me out. So upon seeing that, upon getting stopped out with minus 1%, I was still interested in selling this market. Then I went straight to the 1 hour time frame to look at the price very, very well, and I saw that there was actually this candle you can see here, whenever I see a candle like this and it's now engulfed by a bearish candle, there is an hidden order block here. So that was why I set another limit above what, above here. In as much as price tapped it with, and it didn't go completely, I still set a limit. I don't know if it is wrong thing that I did, but I know I followed the rule. Just understand? So guys, I set the limit around there again. I think around the 50% of this whole week. I set the 50%, guys. So which you saw on the screen that I had two limits on that, you can see that. And I set my SL around here, which is 12p. And guys, look at what the market did. Just look at how painful the market did. The market did was stop me out and finally went to that same word, my direction. Very painful, guys. So that was also a loss for me on Friday. 2 losses on Friday. And basically this week was really tough. And I just got 1 win and the rest was actually loss. So we put my account on minus 4%. I ended January with minus 4%, guys, and it was actually indeed a roller coaster. I faced a lot of loss. I was on losing streak, but I made mistake but never stopped. I kept on pushing, followed the rules today, break it tomorrow. I kept following the rules, but in total I can say that I'm becoming a bit consistent with my trading. Regardless of the result, I still showed up and showed you guys on this channel and also on my Instagram. So guys, if you stayed to the end of this video, please do well to like this video in order to help for the YouTube algorithm for this video to reach out to other traders that want reality of trading and show and learn how trading actually is. Without wasting much of your time, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And peace, and please do well to follow me on Instagram, because I post educational content on my Instagram channel every week. And without wasting much of your time, again, what do I need to say again? Here, if you want to get an account with the Propfirm I use, which is code funded, use the link in my bio to get an account with them. If you use my code, which I'm going to put on the screen, you will get a current 35% discount they are currently running. Without wasting much of time, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace and love, and happy new month in advance. I hope February will be better for us. January has come and it has gone, ended with minus 4%, and I hope that February I'll be back into break even and also in profit, and possibly pass this one of this account. I'll catch you guys in the next one.